All right there, boys and girls, here we go. We have day 17 of our December daily math. The first one here is we're going to do a little bit of matching. So we're going to add 500 plus 2, and then we're going to find its match here, and we're going to draw a line to it, okay? So here we go. Oh, yeah. Okay, 500 plus 2 is 502, right? And here's our match. 500 plus 20 would be 520. It's almost like doing, instead of trying to add, 20 onto 500, it's almost like doing our expanded form, isn't it? You think about that. 205 would be 205, right? Expanded form. All right. Draw a line to split this cookie in half. Okay, so let's just split it right down the middle. Now, how many halves do we have? 1, 2. So we have 2 halves. Okay. 100 is our magic number here today. So it says circle all that equal 100. 3 tens and 6 tens equals 9 tens. So that's not it. 8 tens plus 2 tens equals 10 tens. 10 tens. So this one is, 10 tens. Obviously that one is. 0 plus 100. Yep. 150 minus 50. So 5 minus 5. All right. Quite a few. Woof. Taco. All right. It says draw hands on the clock to show 2:30. Come here, clock. Where are you? There you are. Well, there's a little bit after 1, right? And let's see. It says 2:30. So there's 2. And then halfway around at the 30. 2:30 it says to show, right? So the minute hand, I like to reach all the way out to the minutes. Okay? The hour hand, for us right now, it's the one that's between the 2 and the 3. I like to go about halfway between the 2 and the 3. Okay, so there we go, 2:30. It says draw the hands on the clock to show 2:30 in the afternoon. So after noon is right there, p.m. Okay. Okay, yep. Poppy the poodle needs a haircut. Each haircut costs $15. How much will 2 haircuts cost? So for this one, we are going to add 15 plus 15. 1 for each haircut. We want 2 haircuts, right? 5 plus 5 equals 10. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. So, $30. All right, boys and girls, there we are. Great job with your daily math, and we will see you tomorrow.